So the hair that I am wearing, it is from Supernovahair, and I did collaborate with this company before. Their hair has always been great. I had their hair when I was pregnant, and I did that Ariana Grande inspired ponytail, and y'all, I had that hair for months. Like, I kept wearing it. I think it was till about February, and then I even wore it when I got out of the hospital, and it was still perfectly fine. Of course, I had to wash, condition, you know, do stuff like that. You can't just wear hair for months and months and months. There was a time I was wearing it, and I didn't wash it though for about a good 2 months because I was pregnant and I just wasn't feeling like it. I just was throwing it on, taking it back off. It was a closure wig. And I used a different closure from another company, but I had their 28-inch bundles. They sent me 3, I believe. And the hair was bomb. All in all, it was some straight hair and it was really bomb. If you guys go on my Instagram, you can see I tagged them in most of the photos I took when I was pregnant because I was wearing their hair. So the hair that I am wearing, it is their loose, deep hair. And I will link it in the description. The links that I have is 20, 22, 24. And a 20-inch middle closure. As far as customization, I only put my makeup in the part, of course. I did bleach the knots. I always put my makeup in the part to make it look a little bit more realistic. I just cut the, you know, lace off, and that was it. I did add some water, but it kind of dried it up. But the hair is still perfectly fine. The curls are intact, and the hair is really, really pretty. So on me, this hair falls about, goes to the end of my boob, to the middle of my stomach, stretched, and that is just the last length because it is 24, of course. But this hair is super soft. The curls are super pretty. I love that it doesn't mess up when you do wet it, because as y'all are gonna see in this video, I'm gonna kind of style it a little just to my liking. It is very voluminous hair, so if you aren't into that, this isn't for you. But shipping with this company, it took, I'd say, less than a week. I've been getting so many packages I can't really remember. And this is the package the hair came in. Really pretty purple silk bag, so it's really nice if you need to store wigs or something. I love bags like that when companies send those to me. But yeah, this is from Supernova Hair Store. So far so good. No crazy shedding or tangling. Of course you get your minimal, but that is normal, so I don't really count that because that's always going to happen. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this hair, it will be in the description. Once again, this is from Supernova Hair Store, and I am just gonna hop into this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it so much. And I will be talking more about the hair while I'm styling it. So thank you guys, you know, for stopping by for another video, and I hope this helps you out, and you know, support me, y'all. Okay, buy my lashes. That's if y'all like them. I have 2 other styles that aren't as big and long as mine, but I am the queen of like big, super long lashes, so that is my style. But please definitely support. If you support me, I'd appreciate it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's just hop into it.